2012 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, airbags, power steering, cruise control, FWD, trip computer, fog lamps, compass, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power mirrors, rear wiper, heads-up display, privacy glass, rear spoiler. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.